Hi everyone, this is Lauren, your pearl specialist here at the Pearl Source. Today I'm going to be going over how to operate our two-step safety clasps in our most popular styles, the Finesse, Gabriella, and Infinity clasps. The Finesse clasp, also known as a Fishhook clasp, is what you might find on most pearl strands, vintage and modern. It's by far the most selected clasp. To open the clasp, you first need to squeeze the exposed hook together and pull it out. It will then catch onto the safety latch. Then you just need to unfasten the hook from the latch to complete the removal. To close the clasp, you first need to slide the hook through the safety latch. Then you will turn the hook at about a 90-degree angle to line it up with the opening. Then you simply pinch and slide the hook inside of the clasp until you hear a click, which means it has been locked shut. You'll sometimes feel a little resistance in this step, but don't be afraid to use a little bit of pressure to push it in. The Gabriella is another very popular style. Since it's also a safety clasp, the mechanism is nearly identical to the Finesse clasp. The Infinity clasp is a beautiful upgraded clasp option and is a bit heavier in gold weight. Their operation is nearly identical to that of the Finesse and the Gabriella clasp. Sometimes you'll find that the clasp will not lock shut. This is because the hook which holds it in is too pinched to stay locked. You just need to gently stretch out the hook to make it wide enough to click shut. There you have it. That's how you operate our two-step safety clasps, the Finesse, Gabriella, and Infinity.